Alright, should be good to go. Hey everybody. Hopefully this time I save it. I think I told Twitch to. My name's Dallas. I'm a web developer, and we're gonna build a website. And if you guys come in, I'll take suggestions. Alright. We're using Next.js. Um, I like Next.js because it's React, but the routing is a lot easier. With React, you have to set up your own router and your own page routes and all that. But with Next, it is already set up for you. Alright, obviously this is not a cow. But we're gonna fix it and make it a cow. So I'll explain a bit more what I'm doing. This is our whole page that we're looking at. So this is this whole thing right here. We've got a div, which is, I think it's just short for divider. And it's like a little container, and then we can put stuff in it. We've got a component called hero, and it's got another div. Class names are used for styling, and I also use them to kind of know where I'm at when I'm inspecting. I'm sure you've all seen this where you try to change your grades so that your parents will buy you ice cream or something. Go in here, and now it's a moose. Anyway, we've got our background image set as a cow, which I downloaded in the last episode, or stream, or whatever these are called. I'm very new at this, if you couldn't tell. There's no height to this, so we've got a background image. We've set it to cover and we've set it to center, but when we look at it, there's no image there. It's just this. And we can even look in here, see that there's supposed to be an image. We can see the image, but it's not there. So if we add some height, since it's 0 tall right now, background images don't add any height to anything. We'll say 600 pixels. It still does nothing. There we go. Now, we've actually got a cow. I don't know how big that cow was. Yeah, that's because that's not where that was supposed to go. Good job, VS Code. Why am I an idiot? There we go. It's 1024 tall. Damn. I don't need to go quite that tall. Yep, that's a cow. Now I think for fun, we're gonna make this, the text in here is an H1. Use it for headings. H is the heading. We're gonna make this text, move around in here. Alright, keyframes. Spell it right. What should we call this? Alright, cool. I'll answer for myself then. Crazy transform. Can you string them all together like? Ah, that's what I was fucking up yesterday. Alright, so each of these keyframes, sorry, I'm not talking that much. Each of these keyframes, your percentage is how far into an animation you're in. This percentage up here. This is transforming, so translate, you've got your X and your Y axis. You're translating X, higher moves right, and the camera's backwards, so this is even more confusing. Minus means left. And then higher on the y-axis, lower on the y-axis is moving down. Yeah, sure, why not? $60? Yeah. 75? 100. $60. Math is also definitely my strong suit. We'll start with every other one. Just goes. Also, why did you choose 360, Super Maven? Do 30, 60, 90? Alright. Animation, crazy transforms, linear infinite. Yeah, that all sounds good. It's not quite what I wanted it to do. Take away that. Set the top initial to 0. That's kind of cool too. It's supposed to stay in the image, but... Oh. It's also 100 wide. That's relative. Yeah, what the hell? That's fine. I don't know. We could flash scroll bars on people. It ain't 52 long. I got rid of the width, didn't I? Oh, I didn't save it. Yes. Damn it. Alright, now it just does the X. And we can figure out why it's not working. What part of 100% don't you get? Alright, on all the X's, not you. That can be put to 1200 pixels, because I have a max width of 1200. That's not quite right. I know I could probably set it to 800. And then it's only a little bit off. 850. Good. Or I could just cut to the chase and do this. $850px. Why would it be 890? I didn't take that padding off, did I? No, I did. Alright. Alright, 890 it is. There's probably a better way to solve that. Just so everyone knows. There's for sure a better way to solve that, but and this is not gonna scale down to mobile very well at all. 720 is a better number. I like that better. These are the things we can get away with. Rotate. $30 dag. That sucks, dude. This is also only gonna work. Damn it. Damn. $12.80 by $10.24. That gets you the whole image. There. Now it just looks like an idiot did this. Which, I want it faster. Why is that slow down there? 0, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 1. Oh. I'm an idiot. You have to be 90. And then where would it be? Oh, it's gonna be off. Could go over 25. Ah. Yay, it's consistently dumb now. Alright. I'm going to take out the rotates for now. 0. Nope. Damn it. Oh, I finally need it. This is perfect. So we go 0, 0, and there to there. We can also go 0, 7, 20. And 8, 90. So that'll take it. If you can visualize points on a graph, this is really fun to solve. 0, 0's at the very top left, which is top left 0 for both of them. Then it goes immediately to the end, to the bottom right. And it goes back up to the top, but still at the end, so it would go up. It would go up and up. No, it would stay down but go left. So then if we wanted to move it into a box, we keep the X at 0 and go to 0 on there. Then we go X is 890, Y is 0, X is 890 again. This is why when you get told to study y equals mx plus b, you should listen. I did not. Alright. translate X. So now they're at the bottom again. We want it to slide. We want it to continue repeating this process, and I could probably just do that. Spread these out a bit more, but we'll keep doing it this way. That's back to 0. 890, 0. Whoop, no. 890, 720. Then back to 720, but keep that 0. Then back to 0, 0. So it should almost always go in a square. That's, yeah. Alright, so what's after 0, 0, 890? Okay, 0, 0. 890. 720. No. 720. 890. Oh no, that throws the whole thing off. Damn it. Still 890, but 0 on the Y. Right? No. 0 on the X and 720 on the Y. What? Okay. So it ends here. Zero on the X, 720 on the Y. We need to go 0, 0. Then 890, 0. Then 890, 720. I'm gonna assume the one viewer's me. Say something if you're, not me. It's me. Alright, so that's the very bottom. X needs to go to 0, but that needs to stay 720. Then everything goes back to 0. Then X goes to 890. Then hang on, let me see if the keyframe broke. No. I'll slow it down. Alright. $50, $75, $100. This video has turned into me just screwing around. That's what I wanted. So why is Zero not putting it? It's padding on the side, and that shouldn't matter because at XL it disappears. Alright, so it's not 720. It, I hope this gets more interesting. We'll figure it out. No. $6.90, that makes more sense. Why? One of my dreams is to build something that's so dumb. So this is, it's not dumb. Incredibly creative and works amazing. I believe this is the URL. Yes, this is Ling's Cars. You can buy cars from Ling. And rent cars from Ling. I want to make something that's this animated. Or if you guys find something else you want me to do. Shout out to Ling's Cars. If you're in the UK, lease cars from them. Their website's amazing. Look, it raises around a track. If I could also make these, I bet that would make it square. Yeah, I like that. That's good stuff. Ow. Need it on light. Oh, that's a React Native thing. Never mind. Alright. We have ourselves a hero. And I think I'm going to leave it just like that. That's not very... I'm going to take that aspect ratio stuff away. Ideally, we're building this with two things in mind. As you should with any website, it should be mobile first, which I'm teaching you terribly. This is how this looks on mobile. 375 wide is pretty standard. Why am I adding extra padding? Don't do that. Oh. Well, yeah. No, I want it on the page, but not on the hero. I thought that would unwrap these words. It does not. That's alright. Maybe a little adjustment here. That's centered? Oh, width. Alright. We're gonna treat this a little bit different on mobile because it's not gonna agree with us otherwise. That's not what I wanted. Font size 40 pixels. Then good thing I talk to myself while I code. Breakpoints I use are, I can actually show you them. 0, I don't actually use small, hardly ever. 0 to 768 being mobile. Tablet starting at 768. This is all device width. Large starting at 992, extra large at 1200, 1400 for double XL, and 1600 for max. I mainly use medium and XL. Sometimes I use large, not very often. The rest of them are for clients that are ridiculous and want their stuff. I want it on a 1920 wide screen. Yeah, that's ridiculous, but I guess I'll do it. Alright, that's just for wrapping. Oh, and the width's gotta be 100%. But, yeah, we'll probably mess with a bunch of stuff there. We'll do that with 100%, top 50%. Ah. Could you type the percentage sign, please? Thank you. Then, transform translate y minus 50. I'm not setting the font color because I have a... What's it set in? Yeah, right in here. This is part of my handling dark mode. That was the other half of what I was gonna say. Is we're trying to do light dark mode. Hopefully that works. And it does not need to be 800 wide on small. Yeah. Thanks, Super Maven. That's probably a good call. Yeah, that's pretty good. I have the tallest phone ever now, in case you were wondering. Nobody's phone's this tall. And that's pretty cool if it is. But I'm thinking it's not. Alright. So then at the breakpoints where we start doing animation stuff, sorry, we don't get animations on mobile for now. I'll do them later if this takes off. We want to set that top to 0, width back to auto. I spent all day coding in React Native, so all of my little styling things are off. React Native does, instead, you'd have text align here, text dash align. React Native does it camel case like that. And they do that for everything. And it's really hard to go back and forth. I like supporting all the way down to 350. Yeah. I don't like uneven numbers though. No. Alright. If your phone's smaller than 350, sorry, you get wrap text. I'm not too worried about it because your phone shouldn't be smaller than that. $768 move looks good. $992 looks exactly the same. $1,200. Yeah, this is where we start doing that. Oh, shit. It's not gonna work until it's all the way. No, did I just screw up the everything that bad? Alright, fine. One to 690. $800. Damn, almost 900? Oh, I took out that aspect ratio thing. Did I? Yeah. Yeah, that's probably fine. Alright, now it's back to 890. Take it out of the Y's. We can have it go in a rectangle too, that's fine. I don't know why it's glitchy there. Why is it fucking glitchy there? I don't like that. Oh shit. I almost nailed it. Oh, also I'm an idiot. I'm gonna take the padding, or the margin off. Yeah, we don't need margin on our H1s. Especially not when we're doing dumb shit with it. 690. The secret is not 790. 750. So these 690s become 750s. Then it resets everything. And we have, this is a cow. Did that take way too long to do? Absolutely. Is it done now? Yes. Does it work directly at 1200? Not fucking really. Needs like 5 pixels off. Needs like 5 more pixels off. Did I save either of those? Am I just an idiot? No, it still needs a little bit more off. 75. Ah! Save it. There we go. I didn't save the 75, did I? That looks pretty good. Now when I go back up to 1500, that's going to look a little bit off. But not if I make it off by the same amount on the X. Wait a minute, is that page sass? Yeah, padding 0, alright. And XL is still XL, right? Yes. You go over here. No. Probably not even that much, dude. Actually, that's about perfect. There we go, this is a cow. If we wanted to get real crazy, which I think we do, make this a little easier to manage. What are we calling this? Min X is 10, max X is 875. Thank you, Super Maven, for the assist. Max X. Min Y. Now, I can just mess with those values up here. And I don't even have to worry about the keyframe. I can collapse it. Doesn't even matter. And it still all works. Also, I want it to run in 1 second. Perfect. Maybe half a second. Seizure warning. Sorry. I'll set that back to 3 seconds. Alright. Now, if I want to set this height to like 600. Instead of 800. Then I come back to this and go, oh, it's gone half the time now. That sucks. But, let's see, I took 200 off of that, so on the max Y, we take that down to 550, and now it's back. And I didn't have to go all the way down to my keyframes. This is why SAS is better. Yeah, no, CSS has something similar to this too now, but SAS had it first. I think. I'll make shit up as I go. Let's do a block with a bunch of copy in it. I'll just call it copy. And I'm going to steal Heroes stuff here. Rename it to copy. Oh, that's right. I did do that way. Haha. It's already named for us. Shit. Alright. So our hero is done. Yay us, we finished the hero. We can close the mix-ins and globe-ins. We'll keep the page open because we will need that here in a second. I wonder if somebody has the like closed captions. You guys know that video where the kid's getting interviewed? And he goes, "Have you ever had a dream that and just rambles?" I want that as our copy. Kid video. Yep, we're doing this. I don't want to. Yeah. Have you ever had a dream where you're... Thanks, Super Maven.
That you you had you
Oh shit.
you could you do you you want you could do so you do you could
Alright. Oh my about that so much. Wait, is there an option to copy this? You can move it. Can I? Lame. You do you, would you? Want to? Nope. Shit. You could see. You could do so. You could.
You you want
What the
Perfect. Put it in a P tag. Alright. Get rid of all that. We don't need to set a height. We don't need that position relative either. We don't need these variables. We probably don't need to import those, but I'm going to keep that there. First off, that class name's copy. Alright. And inside of copy we have two P tags. Include font default 18, line height 1.1, margin 0. This is that actually reminds me. If you know CSS, you might think it's weird that I go back up to margin 0. And that's actually because of this. Is this it? Yes, it is. This guy came up with the most efficient way to order your CSS. This is the way that this is the best way for browsers to read it as quickly as possible. Which I have been fucking up. Holy shit. Really? Hey, the width is supposed to go way under. Alright, never mind. It's just my own convention, and I tricked myself into believing it's somebody else's. I usually put width above margin, is what I meant. Yep, margin 0. Perfect. That is what I wanted. And I did want to check this. I haven't actually checked this before. This is supposed to... Where the hell's settings? Appearance. If I switch to light... Oh, Jesus. Yes! That works. That should probably stay white all the time. Oh, that's so much better. Damn it, I knew I was going to close the hero and then need it immediately. H1. Color is always white. Background meshes with black there. But yes, this does respect... this is awful. I can't... Yep. That is, Now it just respects whatever your browser says. That's very nice. And I never want to turn light mode on again. Oh, I didn't save that before. Now it's bigger. I mean, I totally planned it to be bigger this way. I'm showing you the difference in styling. Perfect. There's our copy. Lorem ipsum's boring. This is our copy from now on. It's just this over and over again. We're gonna... No. Yep. I'm also gonna... Oh, I do want that one in a separate p tag. Escape. Oh, damn it. There, now it's all one. Looks a lot better this way. We're gonna do... Just to delineate between lines, a margin bottom of 10. What should the heroes... Keep it consistent, also a margin... I don't know where to put anything now, dude. Alright, margin, 0, auto... Shit, that should have been in there the whole time. Oh, I guess it's on the parent. Yeah. 0, 0, 10. Other powerful thing about variables, if we go to this one, I already have some here, like our dark background, dark foreground, light background, light foreground. Oh, that's why. I had it all the way up to white. I could just swap those around, huh? Yes. Yes, I could. dark, color light. Make that more efficient. Yeah, and then let my terminal yell at me because it doesn't have the colors that I want it to use. Background color. No. Color light. Color dark. Color dark. Color light. Look at that. Shit. Why not? No. Reload. I fixed it. I saved that, right? Yeah, I fixed it. Background color and base. Okay, I didn't fix it in base. You didn't tell me to. Except you definitely did. Color light dark. Dark light. There. Now variables make sense, and I will submit this video to my doctor as proof of my ADHD. I don't even remember what I was doing. It was something to do with copy. And it also had something to do with a variable. Setting a margin bottom on there? Yeah, that makes sense. Margin bottom 10. So, this is another pretty cool thing you can do with variables. It makes it a lot easier. Say, client wants more spacing here, and you want to keep it consistent with the spacing here. You'd have to change that in 2 spots, but you go back to your variable, change it to 20, then you've got more spacing there. You could even go as far as margin bottom SM equals 10 pixels. Margin bottom LG. These names don't matter at all. They can be whatever you want them to be. I do use... Shut up, I'm working on it, man. Like shit. Alright, margin bottom small. Then we'll do add include respond to MD, not small. Margin. Yes, that's it. And we'll also do that. There. So now it's small, under 768. That's a 10 pixel separation. And at 768, it's 20 pixels. Yeah. Then you could go even further and add a mix-in for it. Add mix-in. Can we use... Alright, add mix-in. Standard margin. Bottom. We don't need to take in any variables. Then instead of having all these lines here, we just tack that on, add mix-in, spell mix-in correctly. I don't know why I said that, it's add include and no colon. No, not mix-in, copy CSS. We can get rid of that. And it still does the same thing. You'll notice this is where my breakpoint is, and this is where you can really see it. Right at 768. That's fun to mess around with if you're testing other people's sites. Alright. Now we have a ridiculously high level of control. Hang on. That should be a thing right there, by the way. You should be able to control click on this and it takes you to the file it's in. That'd be very nice. Alright. Yeah, this doesn't need a function on it. What was that? That was wild. Yeah, it's just margin. Alright. So we've got copy. Wonder what we could do with that copy. I'm gonna try and figure out a way to make like colors move through the copy. I don't even know if I can do that. Yeah, no, that's not what I mean. Sparkle animation. Well, that's for React Native. I'm pretty sure. Oh. I guess not. Okay. Why am I using Brave? That's, yeah, that's fine. You can see my face there. Probably will work out. Oh, also I have a camera, so you can see my face anyways. The React is... What I really need is CSS. Create a text color animation using HTML. That was bright for a second. Why is it called... Oh, okay. Okay. Radial gradient, I think. WebKit background clip, huh? Do I have a thing set up for that? For the whole WebKit thing? Let's do it to the hero and make it just absolutely ridiculous, since we already got transforms here. Uh... Am I stealing their stuff? Absolutely. Am I gonna fix it afterward? I don't know why I did that. I need the other color values. No. Control C. Oh. Alright. I'm gonna go insane now. Or not move at all. No, for real? Oh, I gotta set more stuff up than that. The effect's already on that H1, isn't it? Animation, crazy transform. I wonder... It recognizes it. Alright, you look, transforms, you're gonna have to go. Also, wouldn't... If it's gonna be background clip text anyways, all the time. Okay, that's not quite what I wanted. I feel like that's a thing. Now I'm gonna feel like an idiot. Is that really not a thing? Yeah, that's a thing. Do I not have enough? You can do it with 2 values. Am I spelling radio correctly? Fucking A dot. Yes. Yes. Okay. Maybe the background clip really has to be in there. I need another variable in there. Yeah, I want it actually transparent. Thank you. Alright. We're getting pretty close. Is it a reload thing? No. Why are you not loading? Doesn't even recognize that I said anything. faint whispers of it. But it's still not coloring it. Is it? Oh, it's dash mouse. Is it only one dash for WebKit? Is that what I screwed up? Yeah, that's radial gradient. It is only one for WebKit, not two. Also, whoa, when did that get changed to radial linear gradient? Hey, it works now. Now I want to test. Still works. Still works. Can I just do background clip for Brave? Alright, that looks good. Also, can I just do the background clip here and take it out of here? Nope. Wonder why that is. Now it changes colors and shit. We need more colors. We're gonna make it look like ass. I bet that's a thing somebody made. Number of colors. We'll do 10. You couldn't just give me a list? Alright. Lame. That's almost what we had. No! Traffic red. Should read some of these. Pure red. That's not pure red. Pure red is FF0000. Thanks for... son of a bitch. Thanks for trying to play, though. Alright, how bad does this look now? was hoping it would snap to the right spot, but it looks like it's off. Like halfway off. What if we did an ease? Well, shit, that almost looks nice. Not what I was going for. We're gonna, like, look away if you have seizures about stuff for a second. Perfect. Actually, that's not that bright, so it shouldn't matter either. Completely off sync. Can I make it smoother by doing this? It's not color. It's back. Oh, I guess, yeah, we can't do background color. That didn't make it any smoother. These are also wild things to... I think that did make the transform smoother. Out of curiosity, can I slow it down? No, I can't. That would be fun though. Have the transition and the animation fight each other. There's a way to do like a stroke on the... Yep, strong. Jab at point? Never even heard of that. Ah! Text stroke with color? Huh. Is that a thing I can just do and it works? Or do I have to... I'll probably notice 3px. Text stroke isn't a thing. That's why I wanted like the MDN. WebKit text stroke. WebKit text stroke color and width. Stroke and SVGs. Why are you so slow? How's my internet? Internet's good. Chat's still empty. Glad I didn't miss anything. What the fuck is going on? It loads the page. Oh shit. Luckily no one's on stream. If you shit. Don't do what you're thinking of doing, please. I would appreciate it if you didn't. Also, I think I have to use, baseline widely available. Widely available, but is there also it's just the WebKit version? Does that mean that Firefox doesn't support it? Well, I could look at it on Firefox if I wanted. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Somehow I'm more mad looking at it now. I meant 2 at black, but hey, you can add color stroke to stuff. Color stroke, yep. Text stroke is what I meant to say. Oops, no. That freaked me out. Since all these colors are here, we're gonna add them as variables. And this is gonna be our color scheme. These 10 colors, we're not doing nothing else. Color. I don't have an auto incrementer that I also can't spell. Can't wait to see all of the web designers in the comments saying you can't do that. I don't care. You guys will find this one. Oh, I need to. I think tomorrow's episode will be deploying it. Hopefully. Alright. Did all that so that I could do this. Go back over to the hero SAS. Ah! Damn it. What? Escape. Try again. Why are you doing this? Don't do that. Fine. Ah, on the commas. Ah, we did it. Now those variables are there. That did turn out way better than I thought it would. I can move that beige. Where the? No. This is the drawback to having variables. I have no idea what any of these colors are now. Trade that out with that. Yeah, it doesn't look good going over the cow either way. That's fine. Undo. Looks good. Why do I have padding there? No. Why? Oh. By default you do? Lame. That's about to be fixed. Hey, there we go. Display block's fine, yeah. Oh, I did that. I don't need to do that everywhere. But at the same time, I'm not getting rid of it. Alright. We've got some hero and copy, and you're right, I do think we should make the copy change colors. That was the original reason. Wow. I don't know how I still have a job sometimes. I forgot what I was doing. Shit, wrong one. I forget what I'm doing half the time. Yep, you should probably apply it. Yeah, I'm gonna bet that causes issues. No, you don't want to do that? Oh. Huh. Yes. Oh, look at that. Isn't that annoying as shit? Terrible for ADA compliance. We're making the whole site this way. That's fantastic. I don't get to do dumb shit at work. Oh, we're... We have 15 minutes left. the one viewer. If you're gonna say something, that'd be cool. Cool. I don't think that transform's actually doing shit. Is it? Yeah, that doesn't make it any smoother, I don't think. Which it shouldn't. I also kind of want to move these keyframes out. I don't want to keep repeating that shit. We'll leave them in for now. Alright, what else could we do? This text could also spin, because that's terrible. No. Ah. Damn it. Rotate. Fucking math. It's not 45 degrees. God damn it. Oh, I guess that's divided by 5. 72. $72. 144. Fucking math. That's 240. No. 236? Hang on. Super Maven? Yeah, 216. Of course, 216. Duh. Who didn't know that? Thanks, Super Maven. Oh, look at that. That's awful. And I didn't do it to the whole container, so the separate P tag just fucks up. Why does it snap like that? What if I did it by 4? It's 90. Which makes way more sense. 90. 180. 270. 360. Or 0. Yes. Perfect. Read it now, motherfucker. I want this animation on the entire container, though. There. I should give this more room. I should give it, like a quarter of 1200. What is my max width that I'm setting? 1200, yeah. So I should give it like 300 on either side. Not margin. 300 pixels, 0. My math is off. save that? Trying to get it to not intersect the image. You know what? While I'm at, oh, yeah, I'll save that for tomorrow. Tomorrow, shit, I will not remember. Tomorrow I'm making myself a note to add a mouse follower. And we'll do that at the layout level so that it follows you around the entire page. Add, no, not favicon. Yeah, however you say that. No, we're not doing that. We want a mouse follower. And we're gonna make it dumb. I should have just called this dumb site. Also, I need like 420. Holy shit, I'm hilarious. Alright. Well, that's it. I'll put the... Let me check before I say this if I'm lying or not. That's probably fine. This is my first commit with real code to it. It's going to master. I don't have a pipeline or CI/CD set up at all. Hell yeah. That, for now on, is my initial commit message. Initial commit has some dumb shit. I like the fuck out of that. Alright, let me reload my GitHub. I swear to God, well, I just pushed to it. What did I call this? Chat app? Yeah, there it is. Alright. Move this over here. Oh, I even kept the nice little readme there. If you fork this, you can make your own. Just go to that, here. I assume, yeah. They got that much smart stuff. You can clone it down, make your own, do some other cool shit with it. And I'll be pushing it up here every day. I'm gonna... Where'd I put that note? Come on, note, yeah. I'm also gonna deploy it on a subdomain. Deploy to Netlify. Yes, thank you. so that you guys can actually see it, and if there's interactable parts with it, be able to see that. If you're seeing this on YouTube, I'll put this in the description. If you're seeing this on Twitch, I'll probably also put this somewhere. I don't quite know where. We'll call that good there. Alright. Bye, everybody. Have a good day. Yep, I am an idiot. There we go. Bye, everyone.